I am here vibing with one of the pioneering figures who is largely responsible for establishing Bass Odyssey as one of the greatest sound systems in the history of Jamaica's music space. His parents named him Rohan Horton, but we know him as
The legendary Tinan.
Father Tinan,
Blessed
the
love,
man.
Blessed love, brother.
The man when I really out there in the public eye, but responsible for all of the things.
You know, we like the kickback thing, you know.
You know the things, eh?
Yeah, for
Kick
real,
back
you know.
and kick out YT.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
And all is well, great one.
Yeah, man, everything blessed,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Everything
And
blessed.
before me even go any further, whilst doing the research, searching for a Tinan interview, look like you know do them things there a lot. So this means a lot to me, was. We
Yeah,
give
man.
thanks, we give thanks, we
Yeah,
give
man,
thanks.
yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
We try to stay away from it, but
We understand.
Reach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Sir Horton,
Yes,
the man from way out in the country.
right in the bush. you know.
Right in the bush. Talk to us though. Early life, place of birth.
Born in Kingston.
Kingston man.
Yeah.
Eh.
Yeah, man. Born in a labor ward up at Jubilee.
Eh.
Yeah, man. But came to St. Ann at a tender age.
Okay.
You know, I went to basically all schools here.
Okay.
in St. Ann,
Okay.
you know.
And the schools, namely?
I went to Charlton Infant School. I went to Charlton Primary.
Yeah, just-
And also the Abutnant.
Abutnant,
It
yeah.
was Alexandria Secondary
At the time.
At
Then
the time.
it was changed
yes.
to Abutnant Gallimore.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
You said tender age, but you have any recollection or you have been told about how young you were when you...
I came here around just a little after my mother migrated to London, which pretty young,
Okay.
young, you know,
Okay. So, and when you came here, who were you residing with?
with my grandmother.
Grandmother.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. How many brothers and sisters
One brother, two sisters.
are still alive?
Yeah, man.
God blessing that man.
They are British born.
Oh, okay. Oh, so when mommy went overseas.
Right,
Okay,
right,
okay.
yeah.
And mommy and daddy are still alive?
Mom died a year ago.
Oh, I'm so sorry. My condolences, man.
Yeah, blessed. You know, Dad, I haven't spoken to him for years. I don't even know where he is, to be honest. He was in London also.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So coming to St. Ann, Alexandria as a child, what was your recollection growing up down here though?
Well, when I start coming to country, you know, love it.
Love it.
Yeah, love it, you know. I had a pretty good childhood. You know, little itches here and there,
Right,
but
right.
you know, otherwise everything was good.
Everything was good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the world, well, most of the world know Tinan as Bass Odyssey lead selector early out, eh?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I think only Mark and Keith played the song before you.
Mark,
But we soon
yeah.
get to that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But also, many people, well, I don't know, but a lot of people may not be aware of the fact that you were actually a DJ before becoming a selector. How and where though did the music vibration start, you know, tick at you?
There was a little sound system here in Alexandria named Tech Sci-Fi.
Tech Sci-Fi?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, but a lot of people don't even
Yeah,
know
that
that.
first
know
me I
about
hear about that one.
Yes, you know, it was real smart. And then there was a club in Inverness named Zodiac.
Okay.
He had a little sound named LTD.
Okay.
So, you know, I used to vibe with them. Echo Stone was there, but they used to be just in the club. Then,
then
it
it was like a go out, I would go play.
No, it wasn't a sound who used to go play. You know, so I used to be, you know, back and front there.
So what were you doing? Selecting or holding the mic?
I was DJing.
You was
I was
DJ?
a DJ at the time.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
So who were the people who you were hearing in the space at the time that, you know, kind of give you some inspiration and vibes? So, you know, me then try to DJ to you.
Yeah, man, I love Gemini sound, you know, we love Johnny Ringo, you know.
Okay,
Johnny
Johnny
Ringo,
Ringo.
Welton Irie, you know. Then two DJ there. And then I remember once Jalov came to the infant school. And a friend of mine, we
go out there
teeth
together.
out of the house and we go, you know, and listen to Brigadier Jerry, and him have this professional thing about him where it kind of grip me, you know. Some, you know, but them little time used to do me little thing. But
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So Ringo, Briggy were the early influences.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
And you
man.
say you're on the club runner Inverness
Right.
with Echo Stone, you say?
Yes.
And LTD.
Yes.
And so those were the early grooming sounds, grooving ground.
After LTD, I went to Melody, Black Melody.
Black Melody?
Yes.
So you actually DJ'd on Black Melody before you start playing Black Melody?
I used to DJ and play Black Melody.
You used to DJ and play Black Melody?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, and I think Black Melody is Mikey, which is Keith's, Mr. Walford cousin.
Yes, yes.
And that was based in Alexandria?
Down Sendica.
Sendica.
From Sendica, yeah.
Oh, so whilst you were, early, you were the only DJ in the area?
Yeah, at that time I was the only DJ around here.
Yeah,
and I don't know if you're familiar with the festival DJ competition.
Right.
Yes, I took part in it,
that, yeah.
and I placed second. I placed first for Sentan, and Jack Ruby was one of the judges there.
Oh,
so he heard me. He heard me the night, and him decide so he want to come
DJ
see me. Yeah, and I went down there the night. When I went there, General Trees was the DJ, was there the night. He had this Wednesday night thing going on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same place on James Avenue?
Yes, James Avenue. Yeah.
But what year was this? Would I try age it, or would I try to put some secrets to
a long time, in our 80s though,
So Jack heard you in the competition,
right.
and like when I'm here,
right.
So bring you over.
Yeah.
So when you went to Jack Ruby, I know you said that Trees was there that night, but who
Just
were
for
the
that
DJs on the sound at the time?
Yes, President Brown, who was Slim Brown at the time. Nigga Mikey was there sometime, Mikey Loss, yes. And there's a guy, Uglyman.
You mean Uglyman from around Little John?
No, that Uglyman, I think he came from Manchester or something.
Oh,
like
yeah,
that.
well, that's the ugly man.
Yeah.
Okay.
And, Juna Demos used to drop in sometime.
Oh, yeah, because Juna Demos then hail from St. Mary's
from St.
side.
Mary, yeah.
Cool, man.
I have another guy named Professor Frisky used to,
Yeah, I heard the name.
A guy from Portland named Noah.
Noah.
Yeah,
I know that name.
He was there too.
Yeah, so that was the nucleus of Jack Ruby at the time.
Yeah, we were the crew at that time.
And at the time, was Jack Ruby sound the big sound yet, or him still a bill?
No, man, a big sound, man.
Big sound when you got there?
Yeah, man, remember from Bobby Culture, them and Yellow Man, them used to did in a big sound. And them before us.
Okay,
Yeah, man, they were there before us.
So I guess probably you used to
yes,
come around too.
Yeah, man, you run used to them amongst Jack sometime too, yeah.
And them time, so you were officially employed by Jack?
By Jack Ruby.
Okay.
So I was kind of freelancing between Jack and Black Melody now.
Black Melody.
Yes, because sometimes I would take up Shaggy Wonder with Mr. Absolute now.
Okay.
Yeah, he used to be amongst us sometimes. So sometimes I would take Shaggy and President Brown up here.
To Black Melody.
To Black Melody, and create a different vibe,
Yes. So I know you said you like the DJ thing now, but how you end up around the console to start mix and select?
It was basically when I used to be at LTD, I used to mess around it a little, nothing big time. But when I went to Melody, them time the 1200 Techniques turntable came, we started learn for mix vinyl and them thing there, and it was fun.
Right.
It was fun. So I used to be the main selector and the DJ.
And the DJ.
For that sound.
So when you went to Jack Ruby, you did any form of selecting?
No, just
DJ.
Fat Jar was a selector there.
Oh, Fat Jar was selector at the time?
Yeah.
Oh, history class. I got it, man.
Yeah, man.
We love it. Yeah. So why is that Jack Ruby, because them time they, sound string up with other sound and, clashes going on them. So were you ever involved in any, clash with Jack Ruby?
Yes.
Talk to me about a few of them we remember.
I remember one clash in Trelawney, Falmouth and turn up in the bush up there. So I remember up there.
Okay.
With Creation.
Creation.
So
Son was there then?
Yes, man. Papa Son, Bonnie General, the works.
Lecturer was there?
No, lecturer was not there.
Okay.
But a couple DJ with Creation. So it was me, President Brown, singer Mickey Simpson.
Mickey Simpson, okay.
Yeah, was there. Mikey Loss was there too.
So is that the clash where Mike, we have, when we interview Mike Loss, I think that was the clash where said Jack Ruby kill Creation?
Yes, man.
Sancho, him never dead.
No, you see, the thing about it is that I realize a lot of DJs can't take defeat. But Son, I saw it go.
You take that one there?
Yes, well, you take that one there, man. Because it was surprising to everybody. Because
who was the standout DJ on Ruby the night, if you can say?
I think it was between Uglyman and President Brown.
Oh.
Yeah, that night.
Brown Papa Sunday night.
Yeah. 'Cause to be honest, no, me did kind of nervous that night, you know. Because I mean, the amongst the big giants.
So that was your first like big dance?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Because you know, Papa San, when you talk someone, a wicked DJ. So, yeah, man. So, you know, you kind of nervous tonight, but, you know, we get the better of them. We get the better of them that night.
Any other standout dance in your mind where you can remember from them time?
From Jack Ruby.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember one night we went to Greenwich Farm, upstairs, that place at Greenwich Farm there, and, you know, Michael Palmer and Singer were there a night, and Countryman them coming at Kingston, you know.
It was a clash?
No, it wasn't a clash, but it was a dance. But the dance was a standout dance for me, you know, because we handled ourselves that night, you know. Yeah, so, you know.
So you were around Jack Ruby for how long?
Until he died.
Until he died?
Yeah.
You actually ever go in the studio to record, or it's just rubber dub type of vibration?
President Brown and I, we did 2 songs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What are the titles of those tracks?
One named Juggling and one named Dancehall Doctor.
Okay.
Because that thing that you see Michigan and Smiley had that
duo
thing.
type of thing.
Yeah, we had it, but we were the first DJ who one DJ, one harmonize. Oh. You know, so we had that thing.
Where you actually did the recording?
It was from this guy in Ocherius. I don't remember his name, you know. RG, I think.
Oh,
RG
not familiar with that name still.
Yeah, but he was the one.
Those songs are actually officially released?
Yeah, they were released.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Man pan wax a road, man.
Yeah, man. We have other songs, you know, because I did a song with this guy from Trelawney, Duncan's Dr. Sting.
Okay.
We did a song when England and the Falkland Islands and the war. Mm-hmm. We did a song named Falkland Crisis.
Okay.
And
I forgot look out for them tune, man.
Yeah, and you know, it go on good at England. It go on good at side there, you know.
Yeah. During the Jack Ruby days now, you were between Black Melody and Jack Ruby. So still roots at home in Alexandria and Ocherius.
Yes.
When now the base of this journey started? Or how that started?
That was I got myself in a little thing with the law.
Okay.
You know, nothing big, but
not
you know,
big.
You know, but you know, as a youngster, them time I afraid of police, and the police I look for me, you know. So I went back to Kingston because I have my families and everything.
Oh, yeah, sure. So
I went back to Kingston. I came down and I asked Melody to go and talk to the people because him know the people, and him say him nah do it. I'm saying all right. And the same night the sound was even playing and he wanted me to go play, so I'm saying nah. I'm leave and I go back to Kingston the next morning. And I was there for a little while and I heard about Keith starting the sound system. You know, didn't know much about it at the time. But I used to buy a record for Melody, so I used to visit Aquarius record shop a lot. You know. So one day I was at the record shop and I saw Keith. And he said that them build the sound and I think they might play one party somewhere out Windward Road, go out somewhere out there.
So I'm get turned it already then, man.
Yeah, but it was a party. It wasn't a big sound. You know. And Bonnie asked me if I wanted to come. I'm saying yeah, and I went back to Spanish Town and get myself in
together
and meet them at Duane Park, and we went there the night. But I didn't play the sound the night. Keith was the one who was playing the sound. I just sat and watch him, you know, because he was mixing perfectly with the turntables. I didn't get that yet. Didn't get it so good yet. You know. So I was watching him, you know, and then he wanted to dance and he said, "But Tinan, man, you're a big selector, man. Come play 2 songs when we go dance, man." You know. I started playing the song and then Bunny came and sat there and I was listening and I said, "But you're bad, man." You know. And the next night, they hook up the sound around Duane Park.
Okay, but
right in the road.
Bunny was residing in Duane Park.
Right at Bunny Yard. At Bunny Yard, you know, and we played the night and I played the sound that night, you know, and they create a vibe and them say.
So about 89 we are talking about then?
Yeah.
Because that is when the sound kind of come out to come and road like that, 89.
You know, Bunny asked me if I want to. They were going to play a country, and Bunny asked me if I wanted to play, and I said no, I can't go. Cause police them want me and thing. And Bunny asked me what happened, and I tell him. And him say, all right, I go talk to the people. And Bunny took me with him, and we went there and talked to the people, and they just done it with the police. Yeah. So that was when I started playing bass.
Winston was in the picture at that time?
Yes, man. Winston
so it was
there.
Keith, Bunny, and Winston.
Yeah. And after a while, one of our friend from, he came from around here, but he's living in, discovered me, Briggy. Yeah.
He was a part of it.
Then he get involved. He wasn't a owner or anything, but he was involved. You know, because most of the dub plates that we get in that time, Briggy was the one who knew the artists like Ninja Man and them. Because Briggy knew a lot of artists, you know.
Yeah.
So.
How big was the sound at the time in terms of physically big box or column and so?
We were still building. We were still building, you know, but good size sound, but still building. You know, it never reached until couple months before we started some clashes.
Okay.
You know, then, you know.
And you know, do no farmer DJing around bass at this door, just selected?
Sometimes. Yeah, man, sometimes. We usually, like when singer Quenchade used to come country more times, sing with us, the DJ. Mikey, one of them, Mikey there, used to come sing too. I don't remember which one of them. Used to come sing, and we used to DJ. See, I remember one time we had a dance in 9 Mile, and little Lenny, Beanie Man, was there. You know, and that night I DJ. And that was the night when Beanie Man knew that I could even DJ.
So bass at this, you got a little bit of the rubber dub then, man?
Yes, man.
So it wasn't just party and jump in and clash then?
No. First, in the beginning stage, we usually...
never tell me this.
In the beginning stage, man, we usually have artists come down, man, and DJ Tony Rebel used to come, you know, the works. So, you know, because Briggy had a first Sunday thing around Bethany. But sometimes some artists come and, you know, and DJ and the sound, you know. So
based on, you know, the history, it says that only 2 people played the sound before you did. And it was Keith and Mark. And I think Mark probably played it only probably once or twice before you came into the picture.
Correct.
So you basically, along with Father Keith, are really and truly the pioneering selectors of one of the greatest musical institutions in the history of the music.
Listen, bass Odyssey is a sound with a difference. You know, Keith and I, we dominate the scene. Trust me. Bass Odyssey is a sound system that make people knew they could keep dance during the week. Because the sound was so booked that nobody could get a weekend dance.
So you have to keep dancing.
So people start keep dance in the week.
Yeah, before we reach around to all of them, so we have to look at things to flesh out now. So as the sound grew, you guys now started to clash a lot of the sounds in St. Anne.
Yeah,
so like the easy one and the turbocharges and those sounds.
Yes.
You can remember the first time when you actually string up some of a clash of sound?
I think it was there was a little sound from Runaway Bay. I don't remember the name of that sound either, you know, but remember that was one of the first sound we clashed and we wiped them out. Yeah. You know, a place named Cockseat. The sound come from somewhere out there, so.
I think there was a sound somewhere about the place named Coxon at that time. I'm not sure still.
Probably I told me that I remember because it's a while. You know,
yeah, but which were the bigger sounds around St. Anne, apart from Jack Ruby at that time?
You have Turbocharge. Turbocharge was a sound that was a hit. When you talk about St. Anne sound, Turbocharge.
St. Anne.
Yes. Yes.
I think Easy One and those sounds were coming through. The Easy Rock was coming through at the time.
Yeah, but Turbocharge was the sound.
How big did Melody? Which sound were you on before?
Black Melody.
Yeah. How big did they
Bass Odyssey overpass Black Melody. You know, start building bigger. So it was bigger than Black Melody. No. So
Black Melody never really become a giant type of sound in St. Anne, though? No. Bass Odyssey, you know, first clash out of the way and we keep killing sound as it went along.
Yeah, man. Everything come dead, man. Everything come dead, man.
Who was the first artist you remember playing and Dubplate for the sound?
Trust me, I don't even. I don't even remember, to be honest. I don't know if it was Sandy Star who is Bunny's daughter. I'm not sure.
Okay. Oh.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, because I think him related to Junior or
Dennis.
Dennis
and Bunny and Earl. Earl used to run the record shop, Aquarius. They're brothers.
All of the sound them I come on now just a chalk off the sentence. So
Yeah, man, remember we park up everything, man.
Everything.
Turbocharge. We make turbocharge lockdown. Yeah, because after
Totally.
we beat them around the road, somewhere around the road there, down Bethany, and they have the return clash in Pansiana in Steertown. And we dominate it again.
Them again.
Yeah, man. And from that, I hear not about turbocharge. Yes, this is just at the place.
Yes.
You know.
I think now though the first big clash where Odyssey get was versus Bodyguard. Or there was, in your mind, a big clash before Bodyguard.
There was a sound from Chulani named Sly Slick and
Sly
Wicked.
Slick and Wicked.
Yes. That
Familiar
was
with the deal.
Yeah, that was
so
the
that
sound.
was before the Bodyguard
yes,
clash.
Yes.
Oh.
So that you know, we took them to class.
Oh yeah, where was that? Where was that dance?
That was at the Skateland in Duncans.
Chulani can beat them.
Yes.
Sly Slick
Yes.
and Wicked, yeah.
Yes. And then Bodyguard, because I always tell Keith and Bonnie, you know, that anytime I kill Stone Love and Bodyguard, I'm not afraid of no sound.
And at the time, Keith was the one selecting and you were the mic man.
Well, Keith used to use the mic sometime.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I was the one doing the selecting.
Selecting.
And the mic.
Oh.
You know.
Sly Slick and Wicked, dead.
Bodyguard. Dead.
Where was the Bodyguard dance?
Up a place named Tabernacle.
Tabernacle.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was Johnny.
No,
it wasn't Johnny.
It was my name Tony.
Tony.
Johnny wasn't there tonight.
Okay.
It was Tony and another guy. I don't remember. Lynx wasn't there yet.
Yeah, I know Lynx wasn't there. What question though? Because was it a situation where Odyssey survived the night or Odyssey killed Bodyguard? Which was it?
No, man, we killed Bodyguard. Yes, man, people run up and down in the place. We broke down tree and run up and down, man.
Oh, yeah?
Them couldn't. Nobody could believe that would happen. Because Bodyguard have this song with Lieutenant Stitchy. Any clash him going and play that sound dead.
Off.
Yeah. See, so he play that song and the dance get wild. So everybody say, yes, Odyssey dead now. But we have 2 Lieutenant Stitchy. And when we drop our one, because our one was different.
Okay.
When we drop our one, why you say, man? Please go frenzy, man. Please go to frenzy, man.
So it was out of that dance now that Odyssey really and true. So even though I kill all I saw them a sentan, I never no national profile sound on kill it. So Odyssey was his first sound with a national profile.
Bodyguard was it. Yes.
Bodyguard was the first sound with a national profile.
Yes.
Want to kill. So the name now start going road.
Yeah.
And you said, you tell kids said the moment you kill
Bodyguard and Stone Love, I'm not afraid of nobody again.
So Bodyguard dead.
Yeah.
I think the next big dance was actually Stone Love.
Right.
Which part of that dance there?
Same land.
Tabernacle.
Yeah, same land.
At that dance, I think somebody got shot as well.
Yeah.
Some gun salute business.
Yeah, gun saluting and go on and somebody get shot.
Yeah.
You know, so the dance finished prematurely.
Who did I lead the dance?
Yes, this is I lead the dance.
I just tell me that.
No, we don't tell you because we get beaten. No, man. Because we get beaten.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we get beaten on the business.
Who did I lead the dance?
Yes, man.
Who were the selectors and so on?
I think it was Chico. Chico was the top selector that night.
And probably Cancer at the time?
No, Cancer wasn't there.
Cancer wasn't there?
No. But Chico was the top selector there that night. You know, them time that Chico did go on Wicked and Stone Love. Yeah.
And out of that dance, the fact that, so the dance finished prematurely, but Odyssey never dead. Stone Love not killed Odyssey. That also no help to kind of push the name further forward.
Exactly. Because it's not like Stone Love dead, you know.
Right.
Because like I said, the dance finished prematurely.
But Odyssey not dead neither.
No. And we had the dance. We had the dance. No, but you know them dance thing that go most time down in the morning before you can decide. You know, come and tell the other night me and Dillinger the reason I tell Dillinger say them time the dance go till daylight. See.
Unless someone get locked up before that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And them time if one sound no lock off, nobody no dead. You have to lock off.
Oh, a lock off
Yeah,
kill sound.
you have to lock off
So
somebody.
no man can't say, all right, me lead them outside dance.
No, sir. No, sir. People have to lock off, man. That's it, man.
I saw things you should still go and
Yeah,
see.
man. And them time if they don't light out pan you, the people them say flap dance.
Oh.
They have to light. So the dance used to go on. Yes, man, so dance used to go on them time now. And for real, man.
So, Bodyguard, Stone Love, two of the biggest sounds in the space at the time now, BSADC stood and defend themselves.
Yeah, because we had a rematch with Bodyguard. You know. I think it was Big J's land in Maypen. And they had, Bodyguard had the dance up to probably like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. They had the dance. You know, because to be honest, I get nervous all of the time. And I said, no, man, we can't lose the dance, man. But, you know, we just start unleashing at the man and they unleash and whap them right in them yard. And they say, yes, killing at your yard. Me no afraid of no sound again. No, sir. No, sir. And them time they, as a selector and a mic man, you know, it's not like no, you know, because trust me, you know, me rate the mic man nowadays, you know, because the energy.
And we sustain that right through the night.
Yeah, because we never used to have that energy there for the mic. You know, we use song and make sure say intro connect. For your intro connect, or the song do the killing. You know, but them selectors nowadays, me rate them full of energy.
Yeah, before we go any further though, on the birth certificate, the name is Rohan Harton.
Yeah.
Tinan. Yeah. Or the name that come board?
When I used to go to school, I used to do high jump.
Oh, okay.
But I was maga bad man. You know, we had a meet, we have a sports meet in Falmouth. But rain fell and they canceled the meeting. So on our way back, we stop at the beach. You know, so we take off my track bottom and we have a guy we call Camel. He used to run distant. Call him Camel. Him shout out and say, yo, no hold on the Tinan one and no make breeze blow him away.
Oh.
And the name just stick.
So from you the run Black Melody and Jack Roby, that name they are work with.
Tinan.
So even on the recordings, it's Tinan.
Tinan, yeah.
Who and Father Keith build the thing. I get the name out the road. I think the first person who joined the team after that was Glamour G. So he was coming from Amplex in Spanish Town at the time.
Yes,
I think he was playing Amplex.
Yeah. Amplex was a little sound at the time, but you know, that's where he was. Yeah.
What was he like when he joined the sound in terms of, was he, you know, ready or him take time for kind of settling at the base of this journey?
To be honest, when he came ready.
Ready?
Yeah, he came ready. When because him surprised me.
Yeah.
You know, him surprised me because when Bonnie tell me that, you know, we had selector, because them time the sound start get torn now and you know, we need help now, you know, you know, and Bonnie said Glamour G coming on. When he come and him do him thing with it, you know, say, yeah, that you you know. Him come ready.
Yeah, and you said now the sound was getting towards. Where was the first place you actually went to play outside of Jamaica with the sound?
I went to Miami.
Miami?
First, yeah.
That was a clash?
Yeah, we play with I think Inner City.
Inner City.
Yeah, in Miami. And then we left Miami and went to New York with Inner City again.
Yeah.
You know, I think we went to Harlem, somewhere in Harlem.
Yeah.
And we played Inner City.
We spoke about the Bodyguard, Stone Love, and then the return with Bodyguard clash. So between that time and when Squingy joined the sound, are there any more clashes that stand out in your mind where, you know, say, yeah, that was a good dance?
We went to Ascot Drive-In Lawn in Old Harbour with what them name? Inner City.
Inner City.
Yeah. That night was a good night because when we started, the evening when we hook up the sound and we started to play.
Yeah.
You know, the people start walk around the sound and look, say, because we are the first sound really come with the one rack.
One rack.
Yeah, you know, and people look around and I say, where the rest of that sound there? It's like them want to lift up all the turntable for look underneath to see if we have anything food on underneath. Yeah. You know, sound sweet. And at that time they have Inner City as one of the cleanest sound.
Okay.
You know, yeah. So they couldn't believe. And the night the selector play a song.
Who was on Inner City at the time?
Mark and
Dragon.
Danny.
Okay.
Danny. So they play a song with Mark and Shabba,
Oh, okay.
you know, and rake up the place. And the Shab create an impact.
Naturally.
You know. And me start smile, because I know me have something for them. So when we come back, you know, we play a song with Mighty Diamonds and me. You know,
Dubplate.
Yeah, Dubplate one. Mighty Diamonds and Tinan one. And when we drop it into the place, people them say, no, sir. It's a little sound or something else. Or something else. Because we are play everybody. You understand? Yeah, so the only thing them couldn't take are that combination with them play, that are the only thing them couldn't take and kill me. But when they hear the Tinan one and Mighty Diamond drop, them must say, nah, sir. This is sound not easy.
So no win the
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Just
yeah.
you know.
And as we say, we kind of try, you know, eke out something before as we move along. So between the Glamour G joining and Squingy joining, you talk to me about the inner city clash. Give me something else, man.
Well, I would when I would for dance, man. Some of them trust me. Some of them we remember some of them. You know.
I understand.
Yeah,
man,
more time I win me and Dillingy them attack, and them remind me about some of the dancing sometimes. Come I don't remember about them.
I understand.
You know, that's it.
And at the time, were you guys getting more clashes or juggling dances?
We do more juggling more than clashes. Yeah,
and what you preferred at the time?
I did love clashing up because I love kill people. You know. Yeah, man, I did love it. It was fun to me.
Dead,
yeah,
man.
When me come home tomorrow, man, I know so that's on the dead man. I know,
happy.
So. Yes,
nice.
Man. Yeah, man. I mean, if we're dead still, you know.
Yeah. And up to this point, as you said, we got to bring up that. Up to this point, anybody take on a stripe yet? Based on where we are in the conversation?
No.
What was first sound to take on a stripe?
The first sound take our stripe.
Gyro?
No, you know. Remember, I go foreign and come back. And Glamour G and Squingy set me up.
The Silver Clash?
No.
Oh, so there was one before that?
No.
And when they said they set you up, or go on?
Me and Glamour G and Squingy did have like a vibe go on.
Okay.
You know what I say? Yeah. And the man them set me up.
And when they say vibe, you mean differences?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know. So I come from America. Come spend about 5 months in America.
Oh, all right.
I come.
Yeah, go on then. Because I pick up this again. So, but like you did this already, we could go there, sir.
I come back and Black Cat, and BS this is a play, one place down on the North Coast.
Oh, okay.
You know, on the beach side there. And we got the dance tonight and we did it. And Panther start lick out for me. I mean, stand up in the dance. And my friend them stand up in the dance. Cause we just come, new songs are playing, I don't know the song them. There nothing, you know, so me just say, I don't pay him no mind, I go on and Glamour G and Squingy. The man them call me out. And if me never go, me don't look stupid.
Right.
See, but you better me just stay and look stupid. And I'm go up there. And Panther give me the kill of my life, man.
That was the first.
Yeah, my first. Me know so me dead. And that the night there. Yeah, man. So Panther give me the killer man, man.
Well, I'll pick up some things on the road. We'll step back before we mess up. Eventually, Squingy joined the team. So it was now you, Glamour G, Squingy.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think Squingy was coming from Easy One.
Easy Rock.
Easy Rock at the time, not Easy One, Easy Rock.
No, him did
Turbocharge.
Turbocharge him did that come from. Yeah. Turbocharge, yeah.
So he played Easy Rock before he played Turbocharge.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
And one of the clash, one of the kill Turbocharge and Easy Rock, he was...
When we killed Turbocharge, Squingy was the guy playing the sound.
So the kill... Okay.
That was the time, that was the night when him said, boy, I'm have to play bass at this song.
Odyssey.
You know, and him go check Keith them and...
Yes.
Yeah, till eventually them say, all right.
Right.
You know. You know, them kind of pest them a little bit before.
Okay.
You know, yeah, because we have a good team, so, you know.
So it was,
you know.
and when Glamour G came on, this was a time when Father Keith now stepped back a little, so it was you and Glamour G mainly.
Yeah.
And Glamour G was doing the selecting and you running the mic.
Yeah, but we both
alternate.
Yes, man, because Glamour G talk good and he mix good. You know, because Glamour G have a real nice, powerful voice. You know, yeah. Yeah, so he do everything.
So Squingy joined the team and now the sound I grow, people are dead, dance a mash up, them something there. Yeah? And that was the time now when you guys went to England.
I went to England.
The son got England.
Yeah.
And you
We kind of stay back. 'Cause you see, what Keith never know, you know, or I think he may know. You see, my brother and my sisters they're England. They're
Okay.
British.
Oh,
My
yeah,
my mother they're England. So me decide I spend some time
I
with
think a woman you find in England and decides you not come back still for that to the world.
No, but, well, to be honest, them time they, as a select, well,
Woman available.
yeah,
Oh no, I think pretty
only for woman them time there, you know. But that wasn't the case.
It was because your siblings.
Yeah, the siblings and my mother was there. You know, I'm close to my mother, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, besides I spend some time with my family. So being away for so long now, that was the time when Squingy really get the break.
And yeah, man.
You know?
So, and you say you were out for about five, 6 months.
Yeah, about that. Yeah.
So you never, all a vibe with Father Walford and say, say,
No, sir.
No, he does not come back.
He does not come back. That's decided. Because I'm a renegade still, you know.
Renegade.
Rebel on the sound.
Yeah, but you are now the lead selector and one of the biggest sons in the country. You spend some time with the family and come back and kill son again.
Me not worry because Glamour G, me know Glamour G can handle it.
Okay.
You know, so me not worry. Me not worry about it. Yeah. You know, because Glamour G, I know petty selector.
Yeah, man. Bad selector.
Yeah, man. Bad selector, man.
Yeah, so you out there now in England for half a year.
Yeah.
And it was now when Glamour G, the partnership between Glamour G and...
As a matter of fact, I left England and go America and spend another couple months in America. So it's nearly a year before I...
So long you out there for?
Yeah, but nearly a year before I come back. So, you know?
Yeah, I really renegade between the father to that. So it was during this... And you know, interesting as I said that, because, you know, when you look at and you assess the history, it was... you doing a few things that really and truly contributed to the rise of Squingy indirectly.
Yeah.
That was one of them.
Yeah.
So when you were away now, Squingy and Glamour G became the face of the sound system.
Yes, man. Them
the juggling twins, so to speak.
Yeah. People call them
the killing twins.
Yeah, the juggling twins, they call them.
Yeah.
When I come back.
So you did hear what go on a yard or you just there?
No, man, me hear, man. Because me keep in contact, you know. So me hear what go on. I mean, it feel good for them too.
Okay.
You know, when I come back and me really stand up and watch them work together, I say, yeah, them youth there. Yeah.
We soon talk about when you're forward back. So when you're the England side, you are playing the song? Or does I live?
No, man, I just live, man. I play no song.
I play the song. So you don't miss it?
Yeah, I mean, I'm a livelihood, you know. So, yeah, you miss it. You know, but me have to do what me have to do.
Yeah, I understand.
You know what I say?
And even before we go any further, why you never record any more songs? Like, why just a few recordings?
You see the record thing, you know, while playing Jack Ruby song, go back like
right, yeah, man.
While playing Jack Ruby song, we decide, say, we can't stay a country and bus. We are go town, go bus. Seeing, and then me and President Brown and Michaelos, we go Tivoli go check Papa Biggie. And with the Tivoli for a bit, and Mikey go check Peter Metro more time, and you know we did
right.
Yeah, we did we are doing thing, but the sleep uncomfortable, the food not enough. I mean that town and I think about all of them food over that country are waste. I mean there son now eat. Me go back home, bro.
Yeah, you come back home.
And Brown say I'm going back to, you know. And we leave Michaelos there. Michaelos come amongst Peter Metro. You know, so President Brown and I, we came back to country.
Okay.
You know. So that was the time when I decided to this DJ thing.
I know fear.
My bad part of selecting, you know, I stay with this. You know, so I just stay this.
Yes. What year you came back to Jamaica?
In terms of...
After you not come back from the England trip.
It was, I think, 89.
I think Squingy joined the Sound 91, Zane, and I don't think it was long after when I went to England, because I think I saw probably the same year when I got to England.
Yeah, man. I don't remember.
So you come back either late 91 or sometime 92?
I think 92, and I think around this, somewhere around this, yeah.
But when you circle and now the man come back as hero, when we get to understand, the man said the big man is back.
Yeah.
But when you forward now, Squingy and Glamour G have the thing on lock.
Yeah, man, I set me up and let me get beat, man.
That was the silver arc That was the Bodyguard, the Black Cat clash.
No, yeah, the Black Cat clash. Yeah, the silver clash.
Because wasn't the silver arc clash the first clash when you actually come back, man? No?
No, man.
And Squingy and Glamour G said they now play the sound because everybody has said.
Oh, that was a different time.
That was a
I went away again. That was a different time.
That was another time.
Yeah,
so it was the Black Cat one first.
Right. So this time the silver cat they played on.
Don't have to look like you go a lot.
Yeah, man, we should
do
extensive.
So when you came back now, seeing, because the chemistry between Squingy and Glamour G was of such where I'm assuming that most of the promoters who are about the sound now is probably Squingy and Glamour G them on.
Yeah.
So was it difficult now for you to kind of get re-established back around the sound and to go back out there?
I didn't really care.
No, but yeah, me know you not care, but me ask if there were difficulties.
It would be.
Okay.
There would be. You know, because if being away for so long and then you come back and, you know,
right.
For build back that, it kind of, you know, and because you them a fire, you know, I tell them come back and fire. Yeah, you know, you have to give them glory because they did well.
Yes.
You know, man, say.
What was the first dance you actually play about the sound, you know, apart from the Black Cat situation where you mentioned, where you do say, yeah, you feel back a vibes and want to say, yes.
I know, man. After a while, man, you know, go to dance and listen them, and you do your thing, but you kind of kick back and watch them do them thing, you know. Yeah, you know. Then it come back, you know. It come back because after a while, I couldn't do it just like them, you know. But I prefer not to because it's less work for me.
I still like it to pay.
I'm a collect, you know. So you know, when you're young, you know, you don't think about the future like that, you know. You know what I say?
At the moment.
Yeah, exactly. That's why one selector on BS this, you know, a special selector. That's why I love him so much and respect him so much. I rate him because I'm young, and for so I do, I respect him for that.
Yeah, man.
Right. You know what I say? Yeah, man. Because me didn't think them way they were.
You never think they were there.
I think them way they were.
Yeah.
You know?
Sometime after Squingy joined, Lenny joined the sound.
Yeah.
I think Lenny came over from Amplex as well.
Yeah. You know, no, Lenny used to be an Echo Stone.
Echo Stone?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Lenny and Mark did play Echo Stone another time. You know?
Oh.
You know.
Why I think Lenny was on Amplex at some
point? No, him did affiliate with the Amplex.
Okay.
You know, but him and Mark did play Echo Stone at the time. You know, so when after Echo Stone, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened.
Right.
You know, Glamour G bring him in and him start doing thing there. You know? Yeah. And to me, Lenny boss before Squingy.
Lenny boss before Squingy?
To me.
Why you say that?
Because Lenny did not dominate the clash them. More than Squingy. Yeah, to me.
Oh, that's fair. You were there. That's a fair, because you were there.
Yeah. Because I remember one day I said to Squingy, say, yo, you're better than Lenny, you know. And him look at me like, what do I want to say? I'm say, yo, you're better than Lenny because I hear Lenny have a better voice, but Squingy have some little way if you bring cross the thing and call clash. You know what I say? Yeah. I mean, I tell him, say,
craft with the mic.
Exactly. You know. But one of people never know Squingy was one of the coward selector, you know. Coward bad. But if you make him get a leeway upon you, you're dead.
I would say coward, as in
afraid, man. Him ground the sound, him nervous.
Yeah?
Yeah. But if you make him ever do so bam and get ahead of you, I hit that, you dead. You know? So I used to tell Squingy man, say, better than Lenny. You know? And after a while, it proved itself. And him start say, yeah, you know, and you know what he did, I say, you know. I say, I tell you, man.
Yeah. You went away again, you say? I think the sound, the silver arc clash, Zane, because it sound like you're going more than me know every year. A two time you going?
No, man, I will part time. Ago.
All right, so there was a time when the sound went to Florida for a weekend and you spent about 3 months again, Zane. I think there was the silver arc clash, Zane, where Squingy and Glamour G said them now play the song because people are saying the God is back on where you got that time they come back from?
I try remember, you know,
okay.
Going about. I know some did foreign and come back.
Yeah.
So me remember, you know. I think the dance that they'd keep down V-Barnet land.
Oh, okay.
Down there, so. Yeah.
And the G
And
then said they not play the song.
Right. Richie Poo did a play Silver Arc at the time.
I see you come back off a farm work.
Right. Right. So, me in the dance, I watch him and the man, they don't play the song, but they not play the song. And
Oh, so they actually played?
yeah, man, them they play it, man. And then if they not play song, Keith would fire them, man. They can't play, but the man work like that.
Oh, okay.
You know what I say? You know,
Me think like them got the dance and decide say them not playing at all. And
no, them did that frowns. Them did that frowns and I want to play the song. Them never want to play the song tonight, you know.
And let me ask this, because, you know, based on what we hear is that they must say, people are say, the king has returned and that them frowns, but it was something else.
Yeah, man. It was that. You know, people start, because people love me, you know, and people are saying, boy, Tinan come back and rare. So, that night there was my mistake, and them set me up that night there.
Your mistake?
Yeah, my mistake that night there. You know, but we never did. You know, because what happened with Richie Poo make a intro and a statement and say, boy, I'm come back off a farm work. and the people them, you know, create a thing.
You get a forward.
Yeah. And me tell Pablo, say, yo, that song they call Little John, they just do the song name Come Back With Blood in My Eye. We never have it pan dub. And I said to Pablo, say, because I'm not familiar with the song them what they did. And I said, Pablo, we know other song they pan 45. And Pablo say, yeah. I said, find the song for me. I'm going to put on the song. I'm going to make an intro. I'm going to say, boy, people, if England me do come from. Because I said to him, say, if England me I come from, and a farm work I come from, I'm the greatest farm worker, because I don't know nobody got England for farm work. And play the song and bust the place when the song play. And I give them back the mic. So I don't know who they say, me dead. Me not dead, because I never work. I just say one song, me intro, and give them back the mic.
A father key tell me say you're dead.
Me hear it, man. We hear the interview, man. Me not dead. Answer. Me give them back the mic. Me just intro the song and just give them back the mic. Because me couldn't work after me don't know the song then. You know, because I make what catch me with Black Cat. Catch me again.
With Silver.
You know me I say so.
Yes.
That's it. Me get me one forward.
Who win the dance? Who win the dance in your recollection?
I think Silver Arc won that dance,
yeah.
Silver Arc win that dance.
Yeah.
So unless them try to blame me, say I'm me made ended then. And I'm me made ended. Because me create one of the biggest forward in the dance.
And give them back.
Yeah.
So the sound now became one of the biggest sounds, not only in Jamaica, but in the world.
Yeah.
And that was between you, Squingy, Glamour G, Lenny.
Yeah.
Greatness, man.
Yeah. Because even when, probably you're not really ready for go there say it, but
go and talk to me, boy.
Even when Mark come back on the sound, I was still there.
Yeah, man, because we have got to talk about, because eventually, you know, there was some rift now between Bunny and Keith.
Yeah.
So the organization kind of start separating the
man,
two.
Break right, that's all.
What you remember about that though?
It was sad. Because, to be honest, no, Bunny was my friend and Bunny is still my friend. Mm-hmm. You know, so me never want that separation for go on, but it happened. Mm-hmm. Them have them differences.
Yes.
Me don't know why I not get into it. You know, because I'm my friend for years, so I leave it alone, you know. And Glamour G and Lenny decide to them I go Bunny.
Right.
Seeing me and Squingy decide say we are stay here, so. You know,
because
you know.
I think a couple of things kind of also led to the thing kind of breaking down totally. One was the Portmore clash with Adiz, where Jazzy Jeff and I think Lenny lost that clash to
Mataran.
It was Mataran or Face.
One of them, but me not say Adiz win that.
Right, and I think because Father Keith said him never interested in it, but them said that they did.
Yeah.
And I think there was another clash, another event where them take with Adiz in New York and Glamour G and Lenny went. So I think that is when now Keith parted ways with Lenny and Glamour.
Right. Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
And that is when now you and Squingy now became again the lead men.
Right.
For Keith side of the sound.
Right.
It's the original bass that they say. Yeah.
And then and then because Worm I think Worm come somewhere around there, so.
Yeah, probably them time the worm come through.
Worm come somewhere around there, so. I think, yeah, you know. And worm hold him on, him, you know, him doing thing.
So young Squingy at it again, as it was in the beginning.
You see, Squingy was a Squingy was a guy who was hard to deal with. You know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and me, you know, when it come to my temper at the time not steady, you know. Yeah, so you have to be careful. You have to be careful how you talk to me.
So like a lot of vibe you said that between you and Squingy.
There's no sound with that. Without that vibe thing there. Don't make them fool you. Every one of them. Have them vibe.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. Because Squingy and Mark hardly ever be friends. Hardly.
Oh.
You know? Yeah. If you ask me.
So what was at the center of that?
What, the Squingy and Mark thing?
Yeah.
I don't know. I definitely don't know. Like I tell you, you know, me never, certain things me not get involved with, you know. I'm not interested in certain things.
I understand.
You know. It's as long as, you know, bring me in, I'm good. You know, see it, I'm a two-man them. All right, so to speak. You know, me I say so. Me just leave it. But me just know, say, him have him attitude, Mark never like him attitude, you know, and so be it. But, you know, I too bad selector them. To me, two of the greatest ever.
Mark and
Squingy. That how me feel about it. Yeah. Me never see a combination like that before and after.
Before and after?
Yeah. The two man them have this them in sync.
Synergy, chemistry.
Yeah, man.
But them never really truly further outside our work.
The man with that pan tour man and one man in a one hotel room and when them go dance, man.
Them see them
yeah. And them still win the dance and come home. So what I tell you?
The power of music is beautiful still.
Yeah.
There are a couple of standout moments in the history of the thing. I want to know where they did at the time. Zane, there was a clash with Jaro Junction.
I was there.
You were there.
Yeah.
What do you remember about that night?
The night there, why Trooper no forget himself out of bang, you know. Trooper start get beaten early, you know. You can imagine 10:30, 11 o'clock Trooper and I dance and tell people about tune for tune.
Oh, they did that rub him dead?
Yes, man, the man I get rubbings, man. Yeah, man. And him starts a tune for tune and the people them are saying no. And we are saying no. You know. I don't know what.
Who was playing?
One at the time, I think I remember a Trooper play and somebody must have filmed.
No, who was playing?
Basically,
that night?
Yeah.
Who were the
no, man. All of we did it.
Everybody?
Yeah,
okay.
man. Everybody did it, man. Glamour G, Squingy,
Lenny.
Yeah, me. Yeah, we did it, man. Keith did it just the same. You know. Yeah, man. Everybody did it that night. Yeah, but
and Buckle start fling.
Yeah, man. It looked like somebody threw something over where Link, and then gun start fire, Buckle start fling. You know, I know so I jump one while, I don't know I jump that a while. Yeah,
I jump from school days, man.
But I want to show you, say, I don't know, you know, St. Elizabeth people them plant some grass or them take on grass, them something. Me and Lenny.
You know one
of the grass piece them behind the land and steal. So I you know, like when the man them a fire, they go the young so the fire.
The muzzle.
The bullet them just go through the grass, so you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man. I said, Jaja, a police have to escort me out of the place, man.
So mash up on this, man, them
yeah,
turn over the
box
them
the box and the box them turn over and all them something, man. We never catch a my yard till the next evening. Yeah.
Was there any other experience similar to that during the journey, like where Dan shut up and someone turn over and them something?
I remember one night we play at
yeah, that's one Saturday night in the place somewhere.
We play Skaggy Entertainment Center, Skateland, Brownstone. I think we have stone love them, they done there one night, and the man them start throw some stone pan it because the Skateland have a covering.
Oh, okay.
And the man them start throw some stone pan the top of the.
Why?
I think basically they say win the clash, and the man them are going like say, when they win the clash, and the people them start rebel. Start fling some stone pan the. It was kind of scary. You're inside and you hear the whole stone and drop on the top of the place. Kind of scary, but you know we get out of it. You know, it wasn't the war wasn't against us, so
Right,
so
right.
we get out of it.
I think there was another defining moment in a Squingy journey, you see? Where you kind of did involve in it. It was supposed to be a clash with Bodyguard again, a Basalan. That near courthouse of St. Anne's where apparently somebody played the sound and the Twitter didn't get leaked. And you see now play the sound.
Yeah, the dance there. Basalan, yeah, St. Anne's Bay, yeah.
So why you never take the sound for that thing and play
Well, we hook up the sound and play good, we go home, we do a thing, rest, change, come back in the night, we come back in the night. We don't know where one of the maintenance man them do. Every Twitter, like, Mr. Man, I play this, brother. I play no sound. And Squingy decides, say, at that night, the Squingy really get a bus.
As I said to you, so there are a couple of things that you did that really and truly kind of helped Squingy's progress, which was staying in England and also not playing at that dance. Because Squingy take the sound and bust the dance.
Yeah, man, him say, boy, we play. I say, boy, do you think? I mean, I play that. And all the time, when Squingy did, I bust up the place now, and mine, I say, I'm not growing that, brother. Come talk about that, the mic, they not sound good. I'm not growing it. See? I have to give him props to that, because trust me, if you play a sound without Twitter against a sound where they play proper and win the clash, you're really...
Who and him was teaming up that night?
I want Glamour, man.
I'm Glamour,
Glamour, yeah.
And it was Links and Johnny?
I think so, yeah. Yeah,
that was really one of the defining moments in his journey.
Yeah, man. Him really go on good tonight. I'm not lie. Him go on good tonight. He bust up the place, man.
This is the pre-work.
Yeah.
You ever play any other sound outside of Bass Odyssey after you started working on Bass Odyssey?
Yeah, man. After a while, I kind of ease off. So I have a friend have a sound named Lone Star.
Lone Star.
Right. So, him come check me and we hook up the sound. Well, I tell him hook up the sound and I listen to it and never like how it sound. But when I see what him have them, I know so the sound have
can play better.
Yeah. So I strip down the sound and re-string it back. Because I do that too,
Okay.
Yeah, man. Re-string back the sound and say, yeah, that's a sound for sound.
Where Lone Star base?
Yeah, up Inverness.
Okay.
Yeah,
Still St. Anne's.
Yeah, man. Just up the road up there, sir. So we take it to the road and it start going good.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. And me and Delinji, them time, man.
Oh.
Yeah. It was 4 away.
I don't know what Damien early story yet still, so I guess we learned that.
Yeah. A guy named Pack Power Pack.
Power Pack.
Yeah, and Charlie Black. Then them tiny Charlie Black named Tony Mental. And me and Damien.
So hold on, so I could get this, okay, established. So Tinan was instrumental in the emergence of Damien and Charlie Black as selectors.
Damien, but Charlie did have him thing.
Oh, okay.
Him did do him thing differently, Cause Charlie was a good selector, Very good selector, too, Yeah, man. Very good. I have to put in the very good selector. Yeah, man. Him good. Yeah, man. Good selector, man. But me and Damien have our segment on Lone Star. When we start work, a different dance. Yeah. And them time that Damien never used to talk.
Oh, yeah?
Mix. Yeah, man. Mix, and him did bad. I mean, I have to tell him what to do.
Oh.
Because as a selector, what experience and thing, and a young youth, them want to tell them and
right.
I have to do that. See it probably before we start play, we might say, all right, we're gonna start with this, and we might come to like the first 4 songs and so on. That's it.
After that,
he know what to do. Him just do him thing. So a long time, youth have potential. We're never gonna be a bad selector, man.
Yeah, man. That's so said, so done.
Yeah, man.
So apart from Lone Star, you played any other sound outside?
No, sir.
Big Bad Bass Odyssey?
No, sir.
No,
sir. It wasn't until me build one like monitor sound and have my little thing go on,
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
As in, you have a name for it, just play.
People call it Tinan sound, and I just stay with it.
You just stay with it?
Yeah, I don't move with it. I don't change nothing, I just leave it right, that's all.
Oh, so you don't play Bass Odyssey anymore?
No.
Why? What led to you actually stopping?
No, man, it was like a farmer retirement, you know.
Okay.
It was a farmer retirement. I say, oh, me get,
Yeah.
to this, but my daddy and get forced into something and I just build back a little something for myself, you know. Right now, I don't play it more than son right now. It just did it.
Just there.
Yeah, you know. But with more time, you know, I go base of this dancing still, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, because more time I call Dillinger, or Dillinger will call me and say, yo, we are going so tonight, you know, man. You come and I say, yeah, man, pick me up. And we go. You know, yeah, man, I'm calm.
They just taking a dance.
Yes, man, we just did it and...
See them, I feel like it itch, you say, yo, give me that mic there, give me console.
Only part time.
Only part time.
Only part time. But when Dillinger take the mic, you know, it no sense now.
You just go and enjoy dance.
Man, my energy was different. We never see nothing like that yet, you know, not even swingy. Yeah, man, that energy, man, our energy was different.
Yeah, it's Worm, I think, when you made mention of Worm, I think Worm joined from Conquering Lion, I think.
Yeah, man, him come from Conquering Lion. Yeah.
Yes.
Him doing thing too, you know. I tell you now.
In your journey with the Odyssey, who you think you had the greatest chemistry with during the journey?
Dwayne. Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Dwayne was one of the baddest selector apart from DJ Mark, you know, ever played bass of this song. Dwayne. Yeah. Trust me. Dwayne and Arman.
And when you're doing a play, he primarily does what?
Him a mix man. Me a talk man. But with chemistry did. You know,
nice.
Yeah. Yeah, me did love work with.
That surprised me, see the answer there kind of surprised me, see me never expect the answer there.
Yeah, man, Dwayne me. You know, I work with everybody, you know.
Yeah, man.
Doing the, you know, it's smooth when me and them work together, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was it like transitioning? Because when you just started, it was vinyl.
Yeah, man.
What was it like transitioning from vinyl to CD?
To CD. Easy.
Easy.
Because it was how much we have key or press, but basically the same thing. Because you can use the little round something the same way and mix and you know, but it is easy.
So were you involved in moving the songs from the vinyl to CD and so, or keep them to them something?
And nights, me and Bunny sit down in the Arrows studio. A copy. Yeah, because the song did need a tour set, a second set.
Right. Oh, so not duplicate.
Yeah, most of them are me and Bunny do it. Nights, me and Bunny work, man.
I can imagine.
Work, man. Yeah, man. Most of them are Arrows with them.
Yeah.
And me and Bunny do them.
Were you ever involved in actually cutting the plates for the sound? Or you may make suggestions?
Yeah, we do that. Cause most of the some of the time, me and Keith, like in the nights, me and Keith and Briggy, we go studio, go cut songs. Cause most of the man them at night you can't get them.
Yeah, I know them.
So, but Glamour G used to cut some songs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and me and Keith used to cut some songs. You know.
We know so there are thousands of dub plates for the sound one, yeah? Are there any dub plates where like when you play that sound just dead? No matter which sound dead.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You have a Winnie Wonder Buju Bant and the song they kill people that you can't count.
Nah,
miss, man. You can depend on that. No matter how the dancer go, you can depend. Basically, you can depend on a song. They know say, yeah.
Winnie Wonder Buju.
Yeah, Winnie Wonder Buju. Deportee.
Yeah.
Yeah. When the song they play, a different thing, man.
They have a couple more dub plates, so them just not miss.
Them have a song with Hammer Mouth. Anything bad man, the police, them a do it too. That song there, when that play, you know, miss man. A couple of them still, you know.
Yeah.
A couple of them will, man. You know. But
was there a go-to song for you personally, though? Like, say, when you run up in a trouble. Can you run up in a trouble, you know, and I said, this will take me out?
All well. Well, no, because it all depends on
the situation.
Yeah, it depends on the situation, you know. And every song can get you out of certain kind of trouble.
So it depends on the situation.
It depends on the situation, and every song can get you out of a situation. You know what I'm saying? So it all depends on how the dancer go and you know.
Which sound you kill the most?
Well, the sound was dead the most from Odyssey about Black Cat.
Black Cat, Panther.
Yeah, man. Panther not top get dead, man. Panther not got dead. Yeah, man. Squingy them have him like a beaten stick, man. Yeah, man. Get the most. But he's a selector I respect.
Bad selector,
Yeah.
man. Because what he has done with Black Cat, cause it's not a sound we have the resources, the amount of tune where some sound have, and when him take.
Listen, if Panther did not play a song like Bass Odyssey,
The biggest selector I heard.
Panther would be one of the biggest selector ever.
I agree with you, man. I agree
Because
with you.
Black Cat not sang.
You know that.
And for the fight what them put up with all the while. Can you win the Wally Pass? Remember him win with you? Know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You know? So the
Panther
amount of
now win a world clash,
sound.
man.
Yeah, man. The amount of sound him kill with a little bit of song where you have to give him, man.
A killer, man.
Where you say, man, bad man.
A killer.
And when time the next thing for you that just do some kick him and he just roll in at the grave. He still not give up. He not give up him son. See, so them thing they rate. I love him.
Yes.
I love him as a selector. Just so what it's bad.
Yeah. Which artists you think in a year journey voice a body special them for the song?
Bojo and Bounty.
Bojo and Bounty.
Yeah. Bojo and Bounty.
Is it because of the big voice or it's just that they just make for that?
Why the man them the big voice might contribute to it, you know, but
Yeah.
you know, because Bojo was the first bad DJ for Bass Odyssey, you know, before Bounty.
Before Bounty, right?
Yeah, man. You know, because Bojo used to, and Earl, that's Bonnie brother, you know, them used to produce Bojo earlier song them and thing. You know,
so the link was always there.
Right. So we are linking for him young. You know what I say? Yeah. But then after the start, cut the Bounty them and thing and you know, and killer Wasi. You know, him Wasi, him the man have a way for put him lyrics them where, you know, you not expect say you don't go there so you know, him bad.
Him bad for sure.
Yeah, man.
So you said that on a kill Black Cat the most.
Yeah, man.
Which sound you lose to the most?
No, you know, because we hardly lose Clash, you know. Mike sound away. No, we hardly lose.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we hardly lose, man. Once in a while, we lose a Clash. So, randomly, a sound might kill me, you know, but...
Which selector you found the hardest to go around back in the days, though? Like, no matter what, a war income.
Panther, one of them. Them time the Trooper did much better than now.
The Trooper was much better than now.
Yeah, much better than now, man. But them time, Trooper never too easy.
At the Heinz and Jaro days.
Right. Yeah, in the Jaro days. No, not when him go on
not with Sound Trooper, but with Jaro.
Yeah, with Jaro.
Then time you have countless tune, man.
Yeah.
So I just see if you make them move, you understand?
Yeah, man, them two man, the man them, when never easy for.
Yeah.
When you go there, so when you play with them, you have to know, say, yeah.
Yeah, man. Boy, it's big in the brother. Yeah.
When I play with them selector, they have to know, say, I work here.
You have to depend on your game.
Yeah, man, I work here.
Apart from the lyrics, I think what makes a dubplate special to me is the rhythm where a dubplate cut from.
That's important, man. Very important.
Which rhythms you think in a year memory have the greatest impact on a dubplate?
Whoa. A lot of them, you know, because the sick rhythm, punani rhythm, and even when them do the turbo punani rhythm.
Right.
Yeah.
Any variation of punani a good thing.
Yeah, you know. Them the showtime rhythm.
Yeah.
You know. Them rhythm there.
Clash selectors, Zane. You say Panther, the man, you give a lot of ratings to Panther. Would you say is the one that you then pay your money for to stand up and not clash against, you know, but would watch kill people back in the days?
Yeah.
Who was your favorite juggling selector?
Whoa. Couple of them did the links. Links was a good juggling
Good pick
selector.
that.
Yeah. my era now, where with Rory.
Stone Love.
Yeah, Stone Love Rory. Them time that Rory did.
A clap.
Yeah. Rory did bad.
Yeah.
You know. Glamour Wayne.
Gemini.
Yeah.
Yeah,
my juggle wicked.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And as you realize, a Clash sound back in the days, which was your favorite outside of the Odyssey?
We did love Jaro.
Jaro.
Yeah, we did love Jaro.
Why, the box you love?
Nah, man.
You just love his sound?
I did love Jaro. I love Jaro from before Trooper days.
Okay.
From Ainsley them and
Ainsley.
Super Cat them a DJ upon it. From them time I love Jaro. You know. Something about Jaro me did.
Yeah.
You know, me love.
So is there a sound outside of bass of this where, you know, you say back in the days, you say, you know, me then loved it to play that sound there? No?
The only sound me think me done feel a way about back in them time. I see him Stone Love.
Same Stone Love.
Yeah.
What was so special about
Man, Stone Love was one different sound, you know. Man.
Different sound?
Yeah, man. Stone Love. I know the Stone Love now we are here now. Back them time, the Stone Love was a sound where anywhere Stone Love got them time there. It have a cock, the ram. You know, because the man them have a chemistry there where it different. You know what I say?
What's the best sounding sound system you ever hear string up?
In a city.
In a city?
Back them time. Then. Sweet like sugar.
Yeah?
Back them time there, yeah.
Far better than Stone Love at the time?
Yeah, man. In a city did nice, man. Sound sweet, man.
I never hear in a city still. I'm still kind of young, you know. I've heard Stone Love a few times back in the days.
Yeah,
so
man. Now Stone Love is sound good, man, but in a city, man, they have this, them tapping clean. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You made mention that you do technician work and so on as well.
Yeah, man, but don't like round songs
Run.
on me.
What you play?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know. Like if a friend of mine call me and say, yo, you know, when I know some sound, I go help him out and thing, but you know. And that's something I do as a job.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
You have your own sound, you know, you say you don't really play it much. And you know, play the big bad bass that is over. So what do you do these days though? If you can't say it still, or if you want to say it, what do you think?
No, man, I'm hustling.
Yeah, I'm hustling.
Yeah, do my thing, man.
And that take care of the thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm glad for that.
I take care of the aspect of the business.
Yeah.
Legal things.
No, man, I'm sure, man. I'm sure.
Yeah, but we think, good, man.
Yeah, but so you know, if father, you know, kid get a particular date and the promoter them say, Tinan one,
Nah.
Radigan,
Nah.
no,
Nah.
Rory.
I think it was last year, Christmas. Not too sure. Where I'm calling about this guy keep a dance somewhere in Clarendon, I think, or Manchester, one of them places. And where I'm calling about it and say them want me and some old school selector like me and thing. And
No.
nah.
It was done with it.
No, man, I'm not the part of that. I can play sound still, you know. Remember if me open my laptop and start juggling, you know, the next man I play after me, and better make sure say no am I doing it. Yeah.
Golden school I come out of
yeah, man, but you know, but we don't follow it up like that, you know.
Yeah.
My sound me have selectors who play my sound, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like tell them come go and play some song, tell them come.
Yeah.
That's it.
When you assess your journey, you see, when you look back on it, you ever sit down and say, you know, I should have done something different, or I should have done something like, you have any regrets anywhere along the journey?
Yeah, man. In life, there have to be regrets. You know, sometimes you do some things and when you kick back and you look back and you say, nah, wrong move.
Like stay in England?
See,
So long?
No.
No?
I don't regret that.
Oh, okay.
But anything to do with my family.
Family that,
yeah.
see, pray.
Can't regret that. You know, me get to know my brother and my sister them more. We get to spend some time with them and, you know, cause trust me, we're close to each other. You know. So no, I don't regret that. But a whole heap of other things you do where, you know, you couldn't take a different road. You know what I say? Yeah.
See, pray, man.
No, just life.
Great, man. I take it easy, you know, and so enjoy life.
Yeah, man, we're good, man. We just do.
That's a day thing.
Yeah, well, that's what the thing I go through. But,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
Yeah.
And as we said earlier, you know, it's when I say I've never seen an interview with you. I not even say anything right up because when I research, we go deep, you know. And I said, this
Listen,
man
man.
keep him thing on a level.
When you remember when you call me, I tell you no first.
Right,
you know,
right.
Seeing, and when you say you go call me back and you give me some time to
To
think
think
about
about
it.
it.
Seeing, one man I call, you know.
Kid?
Nah, I call Dillinger.
Okay.
And I said, Dillinger, you know, said teach him call me. And Dillinger said, yo, do it in a one. And I said, Dillinger, you know me feel about interview. I will people call me now. Yeah, man. I said, Dillinger, you know
Then
me.
big up yourself for the vibe, bro. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
I
I said,
appreciate it.
He said, Tinan one, do that interview, do that one, yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
From my heart, man.
I'm say, all right. So.
Because one of the things too, you see, a lot of man come play sounds, yeah, a lot of man have history, but you were there from the beginning of arguably one of the biggest sounds in the history of the music, brother.
Yeah.
And you would have played a significant role in its establishment and sustaining the sound. Them stories I need to tell, man. Yeah, that's right. Probably write 2 books, 2 a day, sit there in a quiet time. But I am happy that, you know, we get the opportunity to sit down and also put a face to, because a lot of people probably hear Tinan one pan cassette back in the days and stuff, but never get to go on base of this dance to see the man too. So you know, I think man, we appreciate this.
Yeah, man,
you know, we're interested in the history and people who contribute to the music, brother, and the history of the music. And you're one of them, man.
Yeah, man.
Kill a whole heap of people, man, and then so the rather.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We do a thing, man. We go through and everybody pan base of this is good.
Right.
From Keith to the maintenance crew. Everybody good. You know. And like I say, Damian come like my son. You know what I say? Yeah, man. Me him not left me out, me not left him out. You know what I say?
As it should be.
And one thing with me, you know, and this is why, you know, for the young selector, them love me too. If I go and dance and they mess up, you know. So when I drive, I go home, but I tell them, so man, why a rubbish that you doing, man? You know, and the man is say, where you sitting now? And I talk to the man, and I say, all right. And the engineer no different. Me and him go somewhere and him do something where me think him shouldn't do it that way. Then me tell him, see, and him take it and him build upon it. You know what I say? Him not disrespect me not disrespect him. Me and the whole of them good like that. You know, so more time me go all a dance and do dance now, maybe call I'll Keith and say, Dad, I dance last night, and if him not come and say, hey, what's son play?
Yeah.
You know what I say? Because I know I'm going to tell him the truth.
Right.
You know what I say? Yeah, me and him good, man the selector them good. You know, that's right there.
Father Tinan one, big of yourself, man.
Oh, yes, sir.
As I say, one of the man who helped build one of the greatest sound system in our thing. We appreciate that, man.
Enough love, man.
The sound system culture is something I love to my heart, you understand?
See it.
You know, only start a thing, but you were there during the growth years and all the people feel the fire.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself for that, man. It's a joy.
Undiluted,
Give thanks, man. Undiluted, Anna, man. Yeah. But the answer is on contact where you're not taking no booking and then sit there. Yeah, what happened? Oh, yeah, man. If you definitely look at it, right. Yeah. So, great, man.
No
It's a joy.
See.
Anna.
All right,
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Bless it.